So I just wanted to do a quick how-to video on how to remove the shifter cables off of the transmission on a Toyota MR2 Spyder. There's two shifter cables with the manual transmission, and this is kind of a how-to on how to remove them. This is 2000 through 2005 MR2s. This is how you get the shifter cables off. If you like this video, make sure to like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel. Helpful tip, something that a lot of people run into, a problem they run into on these onesies when they're pulling an engine, is removing the shifter cables. There's two shifter cables that need to get removed, and they sit in these brackets right here. There's one right here, and then there's one hidden way back over here. I don't know if you can see that or not. So one bracket right there, and then another bracket further back there that needs to get removed. So the shifter cables are sitting in them. They're pressed in there kinda, and they're sitting in these U-shaped or horseshoe brackets like this. And the trick with getting them out is to press these little ears out. So this is the front of the bracket facing towards the rear of the car. These four little tabs or wings or ears or whatever you want to call them have to be bent forward. And then on the back side, there's two as well, and those need to get bent backwards. So then that releases the horseshoe, and then you're able to pull the cable out. I'm using this little pick, this 90-degree bend, to pull them out. This is hardened metal, so it's kind of hard to do, but you have to really pry on it and get it out. But I managed to do it, and then once you pop these little ears out, then you're able to pull the cables out, and the bracket comes out with them, at least on my car. So I was kind of lucky. This part wasn't too difficult. It only took me about 5 to 10 minutes to get both brackets out. So I think I'm really lucky here. A lot of the people on the forums and videos have a hard time doing this, getting these shifter cables out. So I'm very lucky, I think, in getting this out. This part was very easy, as opposed to the CV axles, which were a nightmare to get out. Anyway, that's a helpful tip for you on getting those shifter cables out.